Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the OM120 120 wired optical mouse. This budget-friendly mouse is gaining popularity and 472 positive ratings. And guess what? It costs only Rs 92 when I got it, but is currently priced at Rs 99. A real bargain for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable mouse. Let's check out what makes it special. Inside the box, you get the 120 wired optical mouse. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek matte black design, which looks clean and professional. This mouse is lightweight and comfortable for both left and right hand users. It comes with a 3-feet cable, making it suitable for desktops and laptops. The build quality feels solid for the price, and the ergonomic shape makes it comfortable for long usage. 1000 dpi optical sensor, smooth and accurate tracking for everyday tasks. Easy accurate scroll button, perfect for browsing and office work. Plug-play compatibility, works with Windows, Mac, and Linux without extra drivers. It's perfect for working, browsing, or even light gaming. Now, this mouse feels pretty solid for its price. It's lightweight, but still has a sturdy build. It's a bit smaller than my other mouse, and I'm not sure about the exact hand size, but for me, it feels comfortable for daily use. If you like smaller mice, this one should work fine. My other mouse is a bit larger, and I'll admit, this one feels a little more comfortable for extended use. One thing to know, the click sound is louder than I expected. As for durability, I can't say for sure how long it'll last, but the build feels pretty decent. Given the price, I'm not expecting it to be as rugged as high-end models, but for the everyday user, I think it'll hold up fine. I've been using this for a little while now, and the performance is great for basic tasks. It's smooth and responsive, perfect for browsing, working, or even casual gaming. It's not made for serious gaming, but for the price, it works just as expected. The cable length is good too, enough for most setups without being too short. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more tech unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.